already pursued your ACCA and are looking at options, what next? Do you want to keep working and build a career in one of the corporates, or you want to further upskill yourself and are considering an MBA? This video might be helpful for you. In this video, we'll be talking about the benefits or maybe why an MBA after pursuing your ACCA makes sense. I'm Rashesh, I'm the academic head here at Zell Education, and at Zell on this channel, we have a lot of videos for budding professionals such as you guys wanting to pursue courses like ACCA, CFA, CPA, CMA, IFRS training, and more. If you require any training for any of these courses, please feel free and reach out to us on the number given in the video's description and we can help you out. Having said that, let's jump into today's video. The very first thing that I want to talk about is the worth of an MBA. In India, it is commonly known that doing your MBA is indeed the gateway to working at top corporate institutions or top MNCs. There's just one small caveat or at least one bit of professional advice that we here at Zell strongly believe in. If you wish to do your MBA, you should definitely go ahead with that endeavor, but it should be from the top 10 institutes in India. It can be an IIM, it can be an ISB, it can be an IMT, or any other top institutes which give you enough value and give you that desired return, both in terms of your monetary investment and your career growth that you are seeking for from an MBA. The second part where the worth of an MBA truly comes into place is the networking opportunities. And like I said in the previous point, that if you do your MBA from one of the premier institutes in India, then the networking opportunities that you will get from your fellow cohorts, your seniors, your juniors will be extremely valuable. It will not only open the gateway for you to get further leaps in your career in terms of positions at a company, but also give you opportunities to look at probably exploring your own entrepreneurial vision, allow you to venture into the startup territory and have your own startup with the network that you build at an MBA institute. So this is why in India, generally, no matter what have you studied, be it a CA, ACCA, any course, or even simply a bachelor's, an MBA does add strong value. Next, guys, let's understand when an MBA makes sense for you. So normally we do recommend that you at least have 2 or 3 years of work experience. And when I say work experience, I would highly recommend quality work experience before you jump into an MBA. A lot of people jump into an MBA right after finishing their bachelor's or their other studies, and then they do not get the desired return because, of course, even after an MBA, the companies recruiting them would want them to have some experience to then have them join at a managerial level post. That's why a lot of candidates do not get their desired return and then they do not feel fulfilled after their MBA. But if someone has 3 or 4 years of quality work experience and then they are doing an MBA, it does mean that after their MBA, they are looking at top manager level openings at various MNCs. And that brings me to a key point here, guys. When we talk about quality work experience, if you've already done a professional qualification before, like an ACCA, then of course the 3 or 4 years of work that you will be doing will heavily be based on the qualification that you have or what have you studied. Say you're working in the audit domain, your finance domain, and after that you choose to do an MBA, you're looking at top recruiters who would know you as a candidate with a profile who is not only competent in the field of, say, audit, but also has all the technical skills backed by an ACCA. What this does is makes you a top recruitment candidate. And let's take a step back here. When you're looking at, say, you've given your CAT, when you're looking at your interview rounds at your top IIMs, you would have not only displayed strong abilities to, grasp all the technical skills and clear these exams, which are, competitive exams such as ACCA, but also you will demonstrate various soft attributes such as your ability and your willingness to give important time of your life in getting upskilled. You will not only set yourself apart from other candidates who would normally only have, say, a bachelor's and a few years of work experience, you'll have a very important professional qualification like ACCA atop. This makes your profile, a strong profile, not only in the interview process, but also eventually the recruitment process after your MBA. So overall, this covers why an MBA might be valuable for you and why your admission into top B schools of India or internationally is much more easy for you. That brings me to my third and final talking point for the day, which is your managerial skills. After your MBA, because you have an ACCA and an MBA now, like I said, you'll have your technical competence and you'll have strong managerial skills developed, abilities like critical thinking, abilities like testing the waters with the markets with new products. These will be key skills that you will have, which will make you an expert in a unique landscape. You'll have an immense and a strong knowledge of various financial jargons and how the finance world or the accounting world is developing today, with or combined with your knowledge that you gain in an MBA, making you a top candidate for various recruiters in this perspective as well. So hope this video gives you some sort of clarity of whether this is something that you're looking out for as the next step in your career, and how it all adds up into making you an elite candidate who, whose profile is well set apart from the rest. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Let us know if you're already pursuing such a combination and how it has benefited you, so other students reading these chats benefit. Thank you.